What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Vassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT 20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. So lovely more news for you guys in regards to Theta, Theta Drop, staking, open Theta, and a new project, or not necessarily new project, it's an OG project for sure, but new updates for that project in terms of staking. So going on to the price of Theta, and then we'll kind of do a step-by-step, a little mini tutorial on how to go about this. Starting on the Explorer page, we're going to see that the current price of Theta in the making of this video is about 62 cents, as well as T-Fuel at that 3-cent mark, and T-Drop at that 0.13 mark, or 0.0013 mark, I should say. So really looking forward to seeing where this price action will go. Like I say earlier and all in my videos, these videos are never financial advice. Definitely do your own research before investing. So now we got that all out of the way. Going on to X, we're going to see some of the new updates for this project. The time is now. The Passway staking goes live today, and it looks like this was posted on October 6th of 2023. The quality, attention to detail, and complexity is all amazing. Join us on the Discord if you want to see some more updates, as well as some new information in regards to this project altogether. Like I said, we'll do a little bit of a step-by-step tutorial, how to move or purchase on Theta Drop, go on the open Theta, and then stake it onto the website on the Passways website. And before I move on, just another reminder that all these links in these videos are down below in the description, just so you guys aren't worried about any kind of fishy links or anything like that. Definitely check out all those links below. Going on to a little next part for some new updates. Geneon also tweets, "Nice work at Passaways. Stake those slugs and use those power-ups." Here is a little image of his Passways that he is currently staking, I believe, to stake more Passways, and then onto the next image with the power-ups in use. So you can see Eat Me 2 power-up. The perma power-up increases the Passway staking rewards without expiring. So it's kind of nice seeing that. You can add that to your NFT. I believe once you use it on an NFT, there is kind of no going back. I could be wrong there in that aspect, but definitely comment down below if you are looking forward to this project and what else more to come when it comes to staking, or just what the rewards are for staking in terms of this project. Going on to Theta Drop, going on to my collection from here, just so you can see the image that I do want to stake my Passways, or for this tutorial purposes. You're going to go on Theta Drop, go on and search for the Passways if you have not bought one yet. These are never financial advice again, guys. It's just a tutorial for those who already have one. Click on the link or the image that you want to stake your Passway, go on to the Passway that you want to go to, then you'll hit withdraw NFT. Make sure you have your wallet address, that the one that you want to select to, and then you review it, and then you also have to put an authentication onto this NFT for the one that you want to withdraw to. Once you do that, you'll pick the right one. Going on to open Theta, you will see it at the first slot. This may take a couple of minutes for it to load onto your actual Theta or open Theta wallet, just because the process, it is pretty quick though, relatively. I think it took definitely less than a couple minutes, definitely less than 2 minutes for me when I was able to see my NFT on my open Theta wallet that was withdrawn from Theta Drop. Going on to the next part, we're going to go onto the Passways actual website, going over here, seeing where you can find and stake your NFTs. So for instance, in this account, it looks like you'll go on to stake, you'll stake more Passways, and then you can buy more Passways if you want to go on their website. Definitely check that out if you are really interested in staking more. Going on to some of the homepage, you can see introducing staking, stake your Passway and earn Plasm. You can also stake your Plasm to earn even more Plasm. Going on to these other tabs, here's the Plasm that's live now, the TNT 20 token on the Theta blockchain. Going on to the next, and then you can craft your ESSU transform kit. So combine the fluid ESU pack and the ESSU containment unit to craft a transform kit. This new kit will be used as a transform for your Passways. Looks like here are the crafting tools. Here is a little bit more of the merchandise. Kind of just another reminder for what is on this website is basically what this video is kind of for. Seeing the merch, the members only merch for the Passways drop, as well as the Discord. And then looks like here's the Theta rarity if you want to see what the rare of your NFT are in terms of ranking. And then you have Theta Drop where you can purchase your NFT, and then you have Open Theta where you can transfer it so you can connect it to your MetaMask wallet. It's nice taking a little step back and actually looking at how far Theta has come in terms of the Theta Drop, Open Theta partnering between both to utilize under a MetaMask wallet so it can reach a broader span of not just the future blockchains that we've seen previously, like throughout this week on the previous type of Polygon and Ethereum blockchains, because I believe MetaMask is a pretty common wallet for those to branch all those things together further to utilize these NFTs to swap on different blockchains. That's just my own opinion. I'm definitely not the most tech savvy type of individual. I am a nurse full time. Just so some people, if you are new to the channel, there's a little bit of a background onto who I am. But as of right now, it kind of seems nice transferring your NFTs and then being a part of different type of communities. Just seeing where all these communities will lead to in terms of how it's going to provide back to the community itself for those who are collecting these NFTs. Yes, it's cool and fun to be a part of something, but also I feel like a lot of people want to see what else they're going to be in return. So I'm hopefully for some sort of events, some meetups, things like that, or maybe any other type of monetary or something that's like tradable for other NFTs, other real life purchases, things like that. You can relate it back to the real world. That's the reason why I'm like a little sketchy when it comes to certain projects altogether in terms of NFTs. You got to really do your own research. I've definitely made my own mistakes, and the small mistakes were just small. So you definitely start off small before you do anything too big, especially when you are kind of limited on funds, at least like how I am, for example. So definitely be responsible, guys, when it comes to any type of financial purchases or investing. Just them trying to make sure everyone stays safe out there, especially when it comes to these type of markets. Going on to a little bit more, we also have a little more information and updates as to Ivory Jones's project. Seeing here that get ready to be blown away by the graphic fidelity in free radicals. Their amazing digital assets showcased on Syndicate X are not just eye candy, they're your ticket earning art token while immersing yourself in this epic adventure. Looks like this video game is definitely going to be really doing well in the future. At least that's what we're all hoping for. The making of this video, you can see some of the updates that they're actually implementing. The gameplay we have seen at ThetaCon 2022, and you've seen the gameplay videos on my previous channel, or my previous videos, I should say, at least seeing where the game is currently going, and just looking forward to really incorporating these NFTs in the video games. I believe that's the whole premise of Web3 gaming and just the project at it itself and the community they're trying to build. Well, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Definitely comment down below what you guys think about the video or what else you want to see in future Theta videos. Really do appreciate it if you're an OG viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel as always. Really looking forward to seeing you guys comment down below. I really do appreciate all the comments and advice or any kind of input you guys may have. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT 20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. Really looking forward to the next Theta update and video, guys, especially since there's so much information. It seems like that is coming out, especially in the end of this year of 2023. I'm really looking forward to 2024 because I feel like things are just going to be ramping up. That's just my own intuition. That's just how I feel. I could be wrong. Definitely do your own research, guys. I really do want to emphasize that just so you guys stay safe and responsible out there. But until the next video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.